Hi everyone, I was juggling DocSend, Bitly, and Google Analytics just to share files and track links. I didn't want 3 tools, I wanted one platform that does it all. I'm Donghyun Kim, and I built LinkLens to be exactly that. Let me show you how it works. Before we dive in, let me give you the lay of the land. At the top, your workspace switcher. Switch between personal and team workspaces. Workspace dashboard for team-level stats, and your main dashboard for detailed analytics on whichever workspace you've selected. Upload file and track site, the 2 ways you create tracked links. Folders and My Links to organize and manage everything. And contacts, your built-in CRM for every viewer who opens your links. Usage card at the bottom so you always know where you stand. Now let's go through each one. First up, your team workspace. Analytics, member performance, and activity feed all shared in one place. No more chasing teammates asking, did they open it? Everyone already knows. Your dashboard, scope to whichever workspace you've selected. Total views, unique viewers, engagement, and hot leads, all real time. Filter by domain or time period to drill into exactly what you need. If views drop, you know immediately. If they spike after a campaign, you can double down. See exactly where your audience is and tailor your outreach for the markets responding. Hot leads, viewers who scored 70 or higher. Stop following up with everyone. Focus on the people already interested. When multiple people from the same company are reading your deck, that's a deal in motion. Creating a tracked link takes seconds. Drag any file, PDF, video, PowerPoint, and you get a trackable link plus a QR code. No more sharing through email with 0 visibility, or paste any external URL and track every click. One link replaces Bitly with way more data than just a click count. Every link has controls: email gate, password, expiration, download toggle, custom domain. Require an email to view, and every visitor becomes a lead in your pipeline. Folders group links by project, client, or campaign, each with its own analytics. Instantly see which campaign is outperforming and shift your budget there. Your full library in one table. Sort by engagement to spot your worst performers and fix them before they waste another follow-up. Click any link for deep analytics. Here's the real magic. Page-by-page tracking. They skimmed the intro but spent 3 times longer on pricing. Now your follow-up goes straight to what they actually care about. The Viewers tab shows every person who opened this file. Score, return visits, time spent, location. This viewer came back 3 times. Reach out that same day with a personalized message. That's how you close deals faster. Contacts pulls every viewer from every link into one CRM. Filter by hot leads to prioritize your follow-ups. Click any contact to see their full journey, every file, how long, what they downloaded. This replaces the spreadsheet you've been manually updating. Connect your own domain, and every link you share looks like it comes from your brand, not a generic shortener. More trust, more clicks. Stop guessing, start knowing. Sign up free at linklens.tech, no credit card needed. Links in the description.